Hello everybody and welcome to our fourth monthly community call from Crust Network. It's Lut here, your community manager, and today I'm going to present you with our newest achievements and milestones from the last month. So let's just jump right into the technological progress. First, I want to give you an update regarding our Mainnet status. So our mainnet is now 6 months in stable operations. We have over 8,300 different nodes providing their storage capacities to Crust Network. We achieved an overall storage capacity of 2,000 petabyte, with currently storing almost 170,000 valid files. And the valid file size reached 5.43 petabyte at the moment. We also launched our democracy module, so that means that every token holder can join our module and use their tokens to vote for different proposals. We also completed the design for second layer cross-chain storage, including Ethereum, Elrond, and Near storage smart contracts, which means that in the future you will be able to call storage functions from Crust Network or from those chains directly to Crust Network. And we also enabled the CRU 18 claim recently. So if you still have some CRU 18 from the ARC incentive testnet, for example, then feel free to claim them now. It's a limited time. Otherwise, you will have to go via our democracy module. So for now, everybody can do it without a vote. But I wouldn't wait for too long. Here on the left side, we see the utilization of Crust Network at the moment since our mainnet launch in September. So what you can see clearly is that we have a steady increase of utilized storage on our network. Especially the last 3 weeks have been really exciting, and you can see that we almost like sixfold the data stored on Crust Network just within the last 3 weeks, and that's something we all like to see. And again, if you want to get more information regarding the CRU 18 claim, then just visit our Medium blog. You will find all necessary informations over there, how you can do it, and there will be a guide that leads you through the entire process. Some more technological progress, especially regarding our Crust Shadow network on the Kusama platform. So we just supported the cross-chain asset bridge between the Shadow and our Maxwell preview. So you can move your funds over there if you want to. Everything is enabled for you. Application-wise, Crust Apps now supports also the cross-chain bridge from Mainnet to Elrond, but also from Elrond to Mainnet. So both ways, just visit Crust Apps, and you can see it right next to the Ethereum bridge. We now enabled the Elrond bridge. Also, application-wise, we are working on a brand new application called CrossNFT that actually rose from our community. It's a community-owned and community-developed project. Crust Network is supporting these efforts, and it will be a really exciting project, and I have some more slides for you afterwards. We did some small improvements regarding the user interface of our Crust files, and the Polkadot app also supports now all Crust files functionalities, which means that the entire Polkadot ecosystem, regardless if you're a Parrot chain or if you're a Relay chain, etc., you can use Crust storage functions. You can upload your NFTs for free, your files, and also can enjoy the decentralized hosting of your dApps. And we're also working on the integration for NFT use cases on the Elden Network. And Crust Network will support NFTs on Elrond. Here's a screenshot from our Crust apps. As you can see, I told you earlier, next to the Ethereum bridge, you will find the bridge from Crust to Elrond and from Elrond to Crust. It's fully automated bridge and is ready to use for you. Also very interesting, the transaction fees, so the bridging fees are 0 when you come from Crust to Elrond. And here a small preview of our Crust NFT solution. It's an all-in-one NFT creation powerhouse for creators and others and artists. So you will be able to manage your entire NFT value chain just in one solution. You can generate your NFT collections regardless if it's a 10K collection or if it's individual NFTs or if it's supposed to be an expandable collection. Then you will be able to deploy your smart contracts to multiple public chains. Polygon, Ethereum, Elrond, Binance, all of them, for example, are included. And then last but not least, you also will be able to distribute your NFTs via personalized minting pages, via listing on popular exchanges, etc. So all of that you can manage just via one solution. And the best of it is that you don't even need any experience for coding or writing smart contracts, etc. Everything will be handled on a no-code basis, and to make it as easy as possible for artists and creators to focus on their work, to get creative, and leave the technical stuff up to us. Yeah, we also gonna have a closed beta launch soon. So everybody who wants to join this product or is interested in this kind of a solution, feel free to sign up for our beta launch. You can access our sign up form via this QR code, but you also can just visit CrossNFT.io. There you will find a call to action to actually sign up for this process. It's like done in 2 minutes. And if you're an artist yourself or you know some artists, just forward this information. It will help them a lot, and it will be a totally hassle-free process. Now let's come to our ecological process. So the Polkadot Wiki has merged the Crust storage directory. Here on the left-hand side, you can see that in the Crust Wiki, you can find Crust Network or Crust storage options now under the decentralized storage section. It gives developers and builders all the information to integrate with our network. And also we officially integrated with Ceramic Network. And Crust will provide pinning services for Ceramic Network, which is like data platform on the blockchain. Another exciting thing we achieved was the launch of our first DEX on Elden Network. So you can get CRU tokens now on Meyer DEX for the first time on Elden Network. We also got listed as very first ecosystem token there. So I think that already says a lot regarding the partnership of Crust Network and Elrond. And on the right-hand side, you can see a screenshot of the current pool. We have a liquidity of just above $500,000 at the moment. And you also will get some rewards for providing liquidity, obviously, as well. Okay, let's see what happened in our community. So we just recently held our Crust Community AMA, where we presented the review of the last year, but also presented a roadmap for the year 2022. If you're looking for a summary of this AMA, also feel free to visit our Medium. There you will find a summary of all information presented in this AMA. In February, Crust and CoinMarketCap also launched their second round of the Crust File airdrop activity. So CoinMarketCap users were able to receive premium accounts for free in exchange for some CoinMarketCap diamonds to enjoy free decentralized storage on Crust Network. Yeah, Crust Files also is working on a paid download feature where you can actually monetize your data and people can pay you for downloading the data. Also held an AMA in the Elden community on February 22nd. And as already mentioned before, another interesting thing for the community is that they can take part now in our democracy module, and they all can participate in our on-chain governance. And last but not least, finally, our lucky newbie win was won and paid out. You find the address here in the bottom. If you're the lucky winner, then you can call yourself the owner of 15,000 CRUs. It's a big win for you. Congrats to that. But don't forget that we also have some more activities going on in Crust Files. So here are the current stats. For example, you can see that we already signed up more than 60,000 users for our Crust Files application. 54,000 of them are premium users with overall more than 100,000 CRU deposited. And we already paid out 82,000 CRU in rewards. As you can see, there are still more than 1.9 million CRUs to grab. Feel free to join our activities, our referral program, but also, as you can see in the bottom, our grand draw is coming up soon. So a couple more premium users, and there will be our grand draw paid out, and which will be shared between all winners, and currently holds a prize pool of 10,000 CRUs. So don't miss your chance to enjoy your free storage on Crust Network, but also to receive some incentives from our user reward program. So that was it from our community call from this month. Thank you very much for all of your attention, and I'm looking forward to talk to you next month again. Have a good day.